Hello guys, how are you doing? It's your boy Dave Partner. This is a PHP cryptocurrency trading platform that works. You don't need any coding to get it to work. Alright, you don't need to code. So if you need a source code, download it from the link below. It is written with PHP and CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter is a PHP framework, okay, just like Laravel. So you can log in. It is testable, completely testable. So you can log in as admin or as a user. The full testing and login details, everything is there. But before I show you around this platform, let me first show you how it works. So right here, your users come to this platform when you have downloaded the source code and uploaded it on your own domain name with your own chosen name. Your users visit the platform and they can make a buy and sell trade. They can trade cryptocurrency on this platform, but in the back of it, this platform is actually connected to Binance. Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency trading platform on earth, but your users will not know. All they see is your own name, your website.com, and they know they have created an account. They pay in using their credit card to buy cryptocurrency, and they can trade. As they are trading, you are taking commissions. So this platform automatically takes commission for you. So for every single transaction they make, you take commission, and you can set the commission. Even the design, you can change everything. When you download it, you have the full source code. So you can set commission, 20% commission, 30% commission for every single trade. Even for deposit and withdrawals, you take commission. For trade, buy and sell orders, you take commissions. So this is a Binance clone, alright, that sits on top of Binance, but your users will not know. Alright, as you can see, this is just I logged in as one of the users. So you can do everything you can do on Binance, you can do them here. You can even see public chats. You can see trade history. You can see news. From the admin section, you can publish news. Okay, the name. You can change the name, upload your own logo, change the color, change the theme. Everything is changeable. Look at this dark mode. If I change it to white now, see white mode. Now if you look here, you see that there are locales. For now there are just two, English and China, but you can install French, German, any language you want, and all of a sudden you have your own complete trading platform. Okay, people can make deposits from here and withdrawal. So I just clicked deposit. You see, it asks me what do I want. I will deposit in US dollars. You know, let me zoom it. You can deposit in crypto or US dollars. If I select US dollars, it asks me which coin do I want to buy. US dollars. Amount, let's say I want 2,000 US dollars. You see, for depositing 2,000 US dollars, admin will make $299. You see, it's just for this. And if you buy this script and set it up, you're going to be rich, because as people are making any transactions, you're making money. So look at this. There is Payeer, there is PayPal, there is Stripe, there is Paystack, there is Token. So the whole world, these payment platforms can covers the whole world. Okay, so if I click OK, it takes me to PayPal, and then I make the payment, and boom, you see, telling me to confirm. So I'm confirming that I'm buying this amount, $2,900, and admin will make $299. Okay, and this is the amount I'm going to fund. If I click pay, so everything has been done for you on this platform. You don't have to code anything. In case you want to code, you can still easily write your code because it's written in PHP, and you'll get the source code with documentation, with admin, everything, database, everything is there. Okay, so back to our illustration. This platform, for it to work, you have to create an account on binance.com. It's free. You create an account and just follow the whole instructions. It's so simple and straight to set up. So click the link below, go and get this powerful cryptocurrency exchange and start your own cryptocurrency investment company and trading platform like Binance. Alright,